everyone, myself Rajpira Kaur and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. India has registered 1,32,364 new cases and 2,713 deaths in the last 24 hours, according to the Union Health Ministry. The top 5 states which have registered maximum cases are Tamil Nadu with 24,405 cases, followed by the Kerala with 18,853 cases, Karnataka with 18,324 cases, Maharashtra with 15,229 cases, and Andhra Pradesh with 11,421 cases. Maharashtra also reported the maximum daily fatalities with 643 deaths. Indian ambassador to the US, Taranjit Singh Sandhu, said Vice President Hari called Prime Minister Modi. It was a positive and warm conversation. PM Modi thanked VP Harris for assurance of vaccine supply to India. PM also appreciated support and solidarity from the US government. They talked about effort to strengthen India-US partnership in vaccine and area of global health and economic recovery, and also discussed Quad intensive. PM Modi invited VP Harris to the visit India after normalization of global health situation. Biofina, drink healthy, stay healthy, healthy water for a healthy family. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800-258-7060. The Madhya Pradesh High Court on Thursday directed the striking junior doctor in the state to resume their duties within 24 hours, but the protesting medicals and remained defiant, and nearly 3,000 of them resigned from their post and announced they will challenge the ruling. The court termed the 4-day-old strike as illegal. Nearly 3,000 junior doctors working in the 6 governmental medical colleges of the state resigned in mass from their post on Thursday and submitted their resignation to the dean of their respective college. Madhya Pradesh Junior Doctor Association MPJDA President Dr. Arvind Meena said the strike, which began on Monday, will continue till their demands are fulfilled. He said the junior doctors have put forward multiple demands before the state government, including a hike in a stipend and free treatment for them and their families if they contact the deadly coronavirus infection. Mr. Meena said the state government has already cancelled their enrollment for the third year PG and therefore they won't be able to sit for examination. He said the MPJDA will appeal against the High Court judgment in the Supreme Court. Mr. Meena claimed members of the Medical Officers Association and the Federation of Resident Doctor Association will also join their agitation. He said junior and senior doctor of Rajasthan, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, Bihar, Maharashtra and AIIMS Rishikesh, among others, have supported their strike. Mr. Meena claimed on May 6 the government authorities promises to fulfill their demands, but nothing happened after that, forcing them to stop. Asked about the government decision to rise their stipend by 17% and whether they will resume duties after relevant orders are issued, M. Meena said remained non-committal. The government has promised to rise the stipend by 24% until they rise it that limit. The strike will continue. His Ocean Open scholarship test For class 7 to 12th student, get up to 50% scholarship for season 21 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center 9434822278. Oxygen level have been discussed a lot during this pandemic. Several people with COVID-19 have challenged when blood oxygen level drop very low. Now, what are blood oxygen level? This refers to just how much oxygen your red blood cells are carrying. Typically, this is not something that everyone needs to observe all the time, but during the pandemic, it might be important to support your body to ensure that you protect yourself in maintaining optimal oxygen level. When oxygen level fall very low, your body may struggle with symptoms like palpitation, confusion, dizziness, and shallow breathing, pressure in the head or headache. Way to boost your oxygen level. Red blood cells are an important maker. It is hard for your body to do any healing if they are affected. Oxygen level can become a critical aspect if someone does test positive. There are several aspects to look at while you are healthy so that you can ensure higher chances of safety for yourself and for your loved ones. Avoid being iron deficient. Fatalities is the storage form of iron and is one of the most accurate way to measure iron level. Low level of ferritin shows iron storage disturbance. This cause low hemoglobin, the oxygen carrying component of the red blood cell. It is alarming how many people are deficient, and those at high risk for low level are menstruating women, vegans, and vegetables who are not conscious of how to get their level higher, and those who are taking antacid regularly. The use of antacid cause a drop in stomach acid level, preventing observation or utilization of iron even if you have ample dietary sources. This causes a drop in oxygen level in the blood during these challenging times that we are in. A please to do make it priority to observe ferritin level to ensure that your body is not at higher risk for oxygen level drop. Include foods that help with circulation. Nutrition are compound that relax blood vessels and can increase oxygen supply throughout your body. These are found in beetroot, garlic, leafy green, pomegranate, corneas, vegetable, sprout root, meat, nuts, seeds. These foods help the body with circulation of blood throughout the vessel system. Your body also need food rich in folate and B12 to form heme iron, which is the oxygen carrying part of your body. Ensure that you are eating diverse diet with plenty of fiber rich colorful plant foods. The more you can include the better, as antioxidant boost can also help with Volcker movement and oxygenation. Learn to breathe correctly. Your lungs play a key role in maintaining oxygen level. Your lungs have a residual volume of air that is always required to keep the lungs inflated. But if you have developed a pattern of shallow breathing, that then what happened? That you always end up breathing out inadequately. This causes the residual volume to increase and prevent oxygenation from their breathing. Urgent requirement. TVS Hero Motocrop Limited, Neemrana, Rajasthan, Hero Chowk. All the salary benefit and company benefits were given here. The age limit is 18 to 25 only. You can give your resume to the given number. Two-wheeler companies are picking up scooters for those who like scooters. There are no fault in the mileage as well. At the moment we used to watch only two-wheelers, but now a four-wheeler scooter has come in the market. This new exercise is being run to make the scooter driving more fun. This scooter named Quadro Cuder is equipped with a great look. The sense of such technology can fly. In fact, this scooter has been made by the Switzerland company Quadro and name it Quader. You can also call it Titling scooter. Titling means a scooter capable of running smoothly on any surface of any kind. A wheel of a scooter would be in a higher position and the other wheels are below. Such suspension in the scooters bend completely, causing the scooter to continue without spoiling his balance. This scooter has been designed by Lucio Maravas, who is famous for the scooter design. Even before this, they have designed such a two-wheeler scooter. This Quadro four-wheeler
Much better than two-wheeler scooter. The biggest feature of this scooter is that these scooter can be easily driven due to four wheels.
During the drive, the driver is not afraid of falling scooter. This scooter has used modern technology equipped hydraulic throttle system HTS. It has been connected through suspension in the middle of this wheel. You can easily turn this scooter like a sport bike easily. Even in the case of the engine, the scooter has no answer. The scooter is as heavy as the company has used it as well as engine. The company has used a single cylinder 4-stroke engine with a capacity of 399 ccs, which provides a scooter with strong power of 32.5 horsepower and 38.5 Nm torque. In the scooter, the automatic CVT gearbox has been used. The company has designed this scooter very specially as a ornate. The front of the scooter has been provided with a very sharp look. Apart from this, seating arrangement have also been done very well in order to provide better and comfortable travel to drive. In it, driver's foot is fully covered with the front panel and the driver's seat is placed slightly below. Behind the scooter is a handy locker where you can keep your helmet. The company has introduced this scooter in a raw black, titanium grey, Swiss red and white color. The price of the attractive scooter has been kept at rupees 9.25 lakh. However, it is difficult to say whether this scooter will be offered in the Indian market or not. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Now let us hear this wonderful poem. Life is a game. Life is like a game. Come on, roll the dice. You pick up a card, it reads razor blades slice. You move to space ahead. You did something right, but it doesn't matter. Something bad will happen later in life. Everything will go bad soon enough. Tears will roll down. You will pick the wrong card, then you won't talk or make a sound. You will make one small wrong move. You will forget how things used to be when you like life, when you were When you change, the game changes. Get too deep into dying and hell, you won't be able to get out. You will be locked in chains and you won't be able to tell. Glacier lost and under one. Life is like a game, it is collected. Now let us hear SMS of news movement. Be yourself, the person that you want to see in others. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.